Okay, welcome. This is Ian from the Pirates, and I will be taking you through a tour of our robot. So, this is the side view, and yes, so this is the camera that we're gonna use to record the mission. And one of the ways we're gonna navigate is using the raised bumps that are placed at regular intervals along the map. And this rotation sensor um, is going to detect them because when this lever hits the bumps, it's going to go up like this, and this rotation sensor will detect that, and so we know when it hits the bump. Okay, so this is the undercarriage of our robot, and as you can see, it's four-wheel drive. We have gears going from each of the motors to each of the wheels, and the wheels are geared down so that they have more power. And this motor controls these two wheels, and this motor controls these two wheels. Now it may look like this shaft and this shaft are the same shaft, however they just meet in the middle of these, they don't actually connect. And then this is a view of the robot from the top. You can see the gears going to the motors here and here. And then this is the compass sensor. It's going to be used to detect which way the robot is facing. So that, coupled with the rotation sensors on the sides, will be our main navigation tools. This is our arm. It's used for picking up the rings, and these prongs, they do not go through the loop, they actually go under the loop. So the loops actually fit in right here, here, and here, and they kind of lift it up and plop it into this basket, and they just stay there. And we're going to wrap the wires around this beam and this beam to form a wall so the loops don't fall out. And so we've geared the arm down a lot using a worm gear, and this is the worm gear casing right here. And the worm gear casing is one of the pieces that will not be in the LDD since it doesn't have it. And so the reason why we geared it down is so that it has more power, like the wheels, so it won't get stuck on anything. And the third motor, not used to drive the robot, actually controls two things. One is the arm, and one is a foot at the back of the robot. And this is the shaft that goes through the middle of the robot, connecting the two. Okay, so this is the foot, and because of the four rubber wheels, it makes it very hard for the robot to turn. So what this foot does is it lifts the two back wheels up so that the front two wheels can turn the robot, while this slides along the playing field. And we also used a worm gear to provide the power needed to lift the robot. And then this touch sensor is used to reset the arm and the foot as this touch sensor so you can see the two back wheels being lifted off the ground in this picture by the foot, and the foot can still slide forward, so that's useful because since the arm and the foot are connected to the same motor, we made it so that the arm is down while the foot is down. So while this is down and the arm is down, the robot is going to slide forward to grab the loops, or to lift the loops, not grab them. And this is what the touch sensor is used for. It's used for resetting the foot and the arm so it knows exactly where it is. Okay, so thanks for taking our tour of the robot, and we hope you pick us for the top 20. Thank you.